Hello guys, welcome back to this exciting channel. My name is Sam from Flat ERP Technology. I will be showing you the full demonstration of this school management solution. Happy viewing. In case you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and you drop your comment if you have any suggestion to this video. Please make sure you share the video with your colleagues and drop your comment as well, and also like the video if you find it interesting. So this is a regular website for any school. The moment you get the full source code of this solution, it comes with this full package. This is a complete website which you can manage all the content from the admin dashboard. Everything you are seeing on this main website is coming from the admin dashboard. Be you the gallery, the latest gallery you just upload, the latest news, what people say. Admin can also set it from the admin dashboard, including all the incoming events, announcement of admission portal. Every information you see here is coming from the admin dashboard, including the management board and so on and so forth. And go to your About Us page. Everything likewise is coming from the admin page. The board member, the teachers, everything you see here is being managed by the admin and is coming from the admin page. The mission, vision, and core value of the school is also coming from the admin page. Your testimonial, your frequently asked questions, they are all coming from the admin page. So we move on to the pages, newsletters, events, gallery, photo gallery. Everything is here. You can even view the large scale of it. So they are all coming directly from the admin page. Events, school notice board. This is where you announce notification for your school. So maybe you want to make a public announcement. This is a portion for you to do that, and anything you post from the admin page will come directly to this awesome page. So that is, we also have a school club. This is where you announce to the general public the club or the association, the voluntary organization you set up in your school. Then there we have portal, we have a school portal and the career, admission, contact us, and so on and so forth. From here you see a live contact us form which is working directly. You can submit a form. Consider all fields are required. If you submit any form, admin will receive it in his or her email. So at the same time, you can book an appointment with the school. Maybe you want to visit the school for a kind of checkup. You want to see how the school looks like before you enroll your child, so you can book an appointment with them. Once you submit the appointment right here, it will also notify the admin that an appointment has been booked with so time. So whatever date and time is set from here, that is what admin will see, and they will respond to you. When I get to the admin page, I will explain in detail. So from here, you can either go to this career portal as a new staff that want to apply, and if you want to read more about their frequently asked questions, or you want to read about a privacy and term of service, you can click here to read everything. All these terms are coming from the admin page. Whatever admin says from their dashboard is going to be displayed right from here. The same thing goes for the terms of use and privacy policy, like this one. So they are all coming from the admin page. So when I log into the admin portal, I will show you how this thing works. So from here you see your address. They are all coming from the admin page as well. You will see your social media handles. They are all coming from the admin. The same thing. So if you go down to the bottom of the page, you will see back to top. It can send you immediately back to the top. This one is also coming from the admin page. Then the name of your school and the copyright, everything you see here is from the admin page. So being a staff, you want to apply as a staff, go to Portal, click on career. So on getting to career, you will see this notification telling you if there's any opening job available. If there's none, you won't have the ability of selecting or viewing any job offer. But for now, at the moment, there is a complete a May French teacher. So they need a May French teacher. So if you want to view the requirements for this job, you just click here to read the job descriptions, and everything you are seeing here is being posted by the admin. So you can see the price, you can see the position is for a May, and the deadline to apply is this, how many staff or how many applicants have applied. You also see from the, and if all these things this is what you have, you met all the requirements, you can click here to apply for this role as a French teacher in that school. Then you submit or you follow the form, you make sure you fill everything, you upload your passport size, but that must not be up to 100 kilobytes. The dimension should be this, and then you submit your resume and you write your cover letter here. You can write as many texts as you want, you can format it the way you want. So you make sure you click this checkbox to submit your application. So you can log in as a staff once your application is verified and you have approved as one of the staff. So let's go back now. As a student, how will you access your account? So being a student of the school and you want to get yourself admitted, this is your page. You go to this page, you see welcome to student registration portal. This is where you read all the requirements for you to apply, and believe with me honestly, all these things are coming from the admin end as well. So this is where you read how to register. All these things, whatever you are seeing on this very page, is coming from the admin side. So you can read your admission frequently asked question. This is the question, you click here to read the answer. This is the question, you click here to read the answer, and the same thing goes for the rest of the question. Now that you are okay with everything here, and you click here to actually apply as one of the students, you select the form. You make sure that you fill all the form that mark asterisk. Any field that contains this star, you must fill it before you submit finally your application form. So this is where you upload your passport size. You need to enter the PIN and the serial you got from the school, and you need to check this one and read this one to make sure that you have read and agree to the terms and conditions of the school. So the moment you hit this submit button, your computer will generate a photo card proving of your registration slip, which will print out and take to the school when you are going for your interview. So, and then the moment you submit, admin will also see the notification on his or her dashboard or on his or her email address. So now, with that said, now let's go to the main school portal. This is where you access the main school portal. On here I have this beautiful page. So we have different things like the registration portal I just showed, like the student portal, the staff portal, the student resource portal, the staff career portal, of which I've shown this one, and the admin portal. Admin is meant for the owner of the school or the super admin to manage the affair of this solution. So this is where we just left, and I have shown you the career portal. So let me quickly show you the student resource portal before we move forward to any of the account. So in case you are one of the students and you want to check your result, this is your page. In case you want to check your result and you want to get the scratch card, it's available in the school premises, or you call the admin office, whatever number they gave. This is just my number for now for this purpose of demonstration. So you can read how to check your result from here. Sorry guys. So once you understand this one, you can enter your admission number, you select the class you want to check the result, you select the time of the result you want to check, you select the section, enter your PIN and enter your serial. Once you click in, your result will be generated automatically. Invalid submission, please check again. So once I log into the admin and I'm able to upload one student result, I will come back here to come and check it if time permits. So let's close this one. Let's close this one like this. So this is our page. I want to log in as the admin. So as the admin, this is going to be my page. So I deliberately zoom in so that we can all see what is going on in the system. So this is my login details. For now, I think I will not disclose the password for the purpose of this demonstration. So I am able to log into my dashboard and I see the name of my school. I see the active section and active term. Currently, I see today's date and time. I can see the cash received from students. I can see the what they pay online. I can see the total amount of discount we have given to all our students. If there's any staff that borrowed money, you can see the list from here. The admission card we have sold, the result card we have sold so far, the new inquiry from this form. When we go to the home page here, let's go to the form. Inquiry form is going to be on our contact list. So any form they submit from here, this page is tracking it. This page, if there's any complaint from parents through the student portal, you are going to see it from here, and this is the list, the current revenue that we have for this day. Here we are seeing the list of all our students. We see the one which is male, we see the one which is female and male. We see the total student. New student means any student that register within a period of 1 month from now is regarded as new student. So after that, you will not see anything here because I created this account let's say 2 weeks ago. That is why you are seeing them under the new student. Here we are able to see all the list of our staffs. Then we have the teaching, we have the non-teaching. So from here, any student that submitted their admission via the admission portal, you're going to see their details from here. Any staff that submitted their CV on the application portal, you're going to see their list right from here as well. So this is where you set up some things in your website, like the social undo page. All this one is coming from this page. Let's move up. You see all these social undos, they are coming from here. They're coming from here. So anything you set from here, this is for your Facebook page link, your Twitter, which is now X, your YouTube channel, your Google page links, your Instagram page, and so on. Just whatever you change from here is going to reflect immediately from this area and from the bottom of the page as well. This one. So that is how that one works. So we can also move on to our mission, vision, and core values. Everything you see here you can manipulate it, because I show you the other time under our mission, vision statements. So these are these. So anything you insert from here, maybe you change anything and you enter your authorization code. Let me quickly explain the meaning of authorization code, because you'll be seeing it a lot in this software. As an admin, you need to have an authorization code to change anything in this software. So if you try to change anything without this authentication code, you won't be able to do that. It's only the admin he have this code, or else he gave it to somebody else to work on his behalf. Okay, so I won't be able to be showing everything. Just want to quickly walk you through some important aspects, the one that you cannot but use. So this is a director message. Anytime you visit this page, director message is the first thing the general public see when they visit your website, which is this one that is saying welcome to whatever the name of your school is. So what you are seeing here, this one is coming from this page. It's coming from here. This is it. Welcome to whatever you write here, and the way you formatted it here, it's going to be displayed right from here. If you see that welcome to Klassic School Portal is bold and is the heading, that is what you are seeing here. So just follow it and compose your welcome message to the general public, and make sure you have your code and you save the changes. You can see there is upload intro first image, upload intro second image. This is our intro first image. When you go to about us page, you see our intro second image, this one. So any image you display them, and make sure the image follow these rules before you can upload it. So let me quickly show some aspect of the terms and condition here. This is our terms and condition. Whatever you are seeing here is what displayed at the policies and the time of services, the one I show in the beginning of this video. So you can move on to the home page slider. There is 5 home page slider here. What is home page slider? Home page slider is what you see when you visit your website. This is the first one. You can move on to the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. This is what you are seeing. The title and the subtitle is this. This is the, let's see, this is the title and this is the subtitle. So they are all coming from this page. If I delete any one of it, it also affect the one I deleted, will not be displayed any longer. So with that said, let's move on to just only one. Here, this is where you select your staff, you show them on this particular page. This is where we say our teachers. So for now we have 3 images: Classic Portal, Abby Jones and Jerry Jones. They are all coming from this teachers font to here. This is it. So you can add new one to the system in case if you have thousands of teachers, then you can begin to add them. Anyone that maybe one teacher is leaving your school or is transferred to another school, you can click this, select the person, then remove it from your page. So let's move on to the academic section of it. You go to the section. The moment you log in for the first time, this is where the computer will redirect you to if you are using the software for the first very time. So you need to tell the computer that you want to migrate to this section. You create the new section. Once you create this section, you can come back here and select this section and change the computer. You want to move on to first term of so section. Then the time is going to start this. You have to do this before the reception date. So once you do it before the reception date, it's going to track it, because whatever date you put here will be displayed in your register and as well as your student report sheets. Numbers of day, in case the student is absent for 20 days, he said 20 days minus whatever days you put here as the numbers of days school will open will be the attendance date of the student. Other academic, you can create all the subjects. The moment you got this software, you will not see anything on this list. So you just have to enter the name of the subject you want to save for your school and check this box if the subject you are creating is a departmental subject. It's only meant for a specific class. Then you see G stand for general subject, this for departmental subject, according to what you have seen here. So once you register, once you add your subject like this, you need to go to examination subject. So you need to register those subjects. So all this one, I want to register English, I want to register mathematics, I want to register biology. I don't know the numbers of subjects you want to select, so let me register this subject as a junior school subject. So any subject you register for them will only be available to any student that is within the range of the junior class, which is JS1, 2, and 3. So the same way you do for the senior, but once you do for senior, you need to go to departmental subject. Once you register a particular subject as senior, then you need to come to this departmental subject. Under this departmental subject, any subject you are assigned as senior subject will be displayed here. Once it displays, you need to select those subjects and register it as either this is only meant for commercial student, science student, and art student alone. So that is how it was. Now I selected 2. If I select one more, it says 3 selected, 4 selected, 5 selected. I can select this one and register it as art subject. I'll come back again. If I try to re-register for the same class, computer will complain. So let's move on to the classes. This is classes. This is what you see. You cannot change it, you cannot edit it. So you can move on to, I think I've shown you this one. You can view all the senior subjects you have registered so far. Okay, let's view all the junior subjects we have registered. None. Let's view all the senior subjects. Can you see now we have subjects we have registered for senior secondary school. We can delete any one of them if you want to, but the moment you upload any subject, you don't have to delete it any longer. Okay, that one is done. Let's move on to our student. Under the student, there is register student, which means being the admin, you can register your student in case there is any error while trying to register online. You can register manually, but you just have to receive the scratch card the student purchased from the outlet, then you register directly. So that is that for the student. Let's view all the student details. In JSS1 there is 75 students. How? Let's click on it to verify if it is true. Wow, these are the list of all the students in that particular class that we have selected, with regardless of their section. We have JSS1A, there is gonna be JSS1B if I am not mistaken. Let's see JSS1B and C as well. We can go back to the previous page. We can go to SS3. We see we have 12. That is why we are seeing 12 AM. We can also go to the SS1 UCT. Then you can filter them based on their class, based on their arms, based on their gender. You want to view the total numbers of female in JSS1A class. Let's view. You see now they are all females in this class. You can generate their photo card, which is profile card, to see all their information. This one, the information is yet to be completed, so let's close that. You can also update, maybe there is any error in their names, you want to change it as admin, but you must make sure you have your authentication code to do that. So once that is done, we can as well move on to student ID card. This is where we generate student ID card. So for example, I want to generate for SS2. I want to generate for all of them at once. I don't want to select any arms or P. Just grab all the SS2. I want to issue the ID card for them today, this month, November 2024. I want the card to expire when it is 1 month. When it is 1 year, it's going to be 2025, the same month I generated it. Then I have to click this show student to view all the students in that particular class. These are the students there. So from there, I have 3 templates for the ID card. This is the first template. So this is how our first template look like. Just generate the details of the students, your logo, your signature, and so on and so forth. So I can also generate the second template for the student. This is the second template. This is how our second template look like. So I can zoom out back. So I also go to the template 3, which is this one. So anyone you prefer, you can decide to use this one for your junior classes and use this one for senior classes, or any of the above. Just make sure that you choose the one you like for your school. So I think that is that for now. Now let's move away from this page and let's go